Lately I've been losing sleep, dreaming about the things that we could be.
Baby, I've been praying hard. Said no more counting dollars, we'll be counting stars.
Yeah, we'll be counting stars.
Marami na akong achievements na nakuha kahit na hindi pa ako nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral o wala pa akong profesyon sa buhay. Para kasi sa akin, may mga iba't ibang klase ng achievements tulad na lang ng mga achievements ko nung bata ako, hindi pa lang ako. Achievements na kasi na natutunan yung matuto kong bumasa, sumulat, maglakad at makipaglaro sa mga kapwang bata.
She told me in the morning she don't feel the same about us in her bones. It seems to me that when I die these words will be written on my stone. And I'll be gone, gone tonight. The ground beneath my feet is old.
Achievements din na matuturing yung mga nakuha nating mga medals, ribbons at certificate na inaabot sa atin ng ating punong guro at mga guro tuwing recognition day o nung araw na tayo ay nagsisipagtapos.
To keep her warm in time is frozen. The story of my life, I give her hope. I spend her love until she's broken inside. The story of my life, written on these walls are the colors that I can't change. Leave my heart open, but it stays right here in its cage. I know that in the morning now I see us in the light upon a hill. Although I am broken, my heart is
Siyempre, achievements din yung pagbabawas mo ng timbang na hindi ka panipaniwala.
gone tonight. The fire beneath my feet is burning bright. The way that I've been holding on so tight, with nothing in between. The story of my life, I take her home. I drive all night to keep her warm.
Pero lahat ng mga yan ay tinuturing ko lamang na maliliit na achievement. Kasi narito ang ilan sa pinakamalaking achievement na nakuha ko sa bawat yugto ng aking buhay. Una na doon ay ang pagkakaroon ng kaibigan at kapwa-tao na anumang tutulungan ka sa oras ng pangangailangan.
And I've been waiting for this time to come around. But baby, running after you is like chasing the clouds. The story of my life, I take her home. I drive all night to keep her warm, and time is frozen. The story of my life, I give her hope. I spend her love until she's broken inside.
Pangalawa, ang pagkakaroon ng tunay at tapat na kaibigan o mga tinatawag nating mga best friend.
The story of my life. The story of my life.
At syempre, ito na ang pinakamalaking achievement sa buhay. Yun yung binigay na pamilya sa akin nila. Yung pamilyang alam mo na proud sa'yo tuwing na makukuha kang awards. Yung pamilyang alam mong tutulungan ka kahit gaano man kahirap. Yung pamilyang buo pa rin kahit na madaming pagsubok ang dumaan at dadaan. At yung pamilyang hindi mang iiwan, hindi magsasawang magmahal, hindi at ngayon ka sa tatahaking bukas. Kasi hindi matutumbasan ng certificate, ribbon, medals, at lalong-lalo na ng pera yung achievement mo na makita silang masaya.